Alright, I'm going to show you how to set up the Lego Microgame project. We're going to start with a new project in the Unity hub here, and we are going to choose a 3D core project and just go ahead and give this a name. And then we'll hit Learning over here on the left menu, and that's where you can find the Lego Microgame. So go ahead and click on that to download the template. They want to verify your age, so go ahead and complete that as appropriate for your situation, and then you can go ahead and continue with the download. And once the project downloads, we're going to go ahead and load it in to the Unity editor and create our project. And then this will load in the editor for you. Now once it opens in the editor, you're going to have a choice to make as far as what you want to do with the Lego Microgame. So the Lego Microgame will ask you to either choose the tutorial setup or the playground setup. So we're going to load the tutorials down here on the left. Go ahead and select that option. And you can see over here on the right we have a list of Lego Microgame tutorials that we'll be walking through completing in this lesson. So there's a variety of things. They start out quite easy and then they do increase in their level of difficulty. And we'll walk you through a number of different mods and stuff for the game, customizing the game, the menu of the game, and adding different platforms and creating your level. So have some fun with this one and take lots of screenshots.